Alright, everybody. The burger bites are done. And look at that. Look how gorgeous they look. Now, look at that. I cut one open and look at that. Look how perfectly cooked. Bacon is crispy and inside is fully cooked. Ha ha ha. Look at that. And a little barbecue sauce with that. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. This recipe will be on my blog, along with the chicken rice burger recipe. So, I will put that in the description. And hopefully you guys go to my YouTube channel and see the video. Alright, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you in the next.